Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video I'll be showing you how to marinate a chicken for dum biryani. So here I've taken a few ingredients and here are the spices. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garm masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 or half teaspoon of black cumin seeds, and 5 to 6 cardamom and cinnamon, like 4 to 5 of them. So these are all the dry ingredients, like the spices, and here I've taken 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Okay, that's melted, not clarified. And that's the ginger garlic pulp that you'll be using, like 4 tablespoons of it. Here I've taken like handful of coriander, freshly chopped, and 3 large green chilies. Yogurt, I'm using Greek style and about like 600 grams of it. And that's the onion oil. And that's the onion, like about 3 large onions. That's milk, like half a glass with half teaspoon of saffron. So guys, here I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic pulp, or you can use paste too. 4 tablespoons and a half. Then I'm just going to mix it well. After that, I'm going to add salt and all the dry spices in. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, garam masala, and literally everything in. And then mix it well. Oh no, wait. Coriander powder too. And then just mix it very well. After that, I'm going to add the melted butter in. Then I'm going to add the fresh coriander, chopped, and the 3 green chilies too. Then I'm going to add onion, but not like all of it. I'm leaving some for the decoration, for the biryani. And here the milk, I'm pouring it all in. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like heat the milk up when you add the saffron in. Then here the yogurt, about like 600 grams of it. I'm using 0% fat and full fat, both. And then mix it very well. After that, I'm using about like 1/4 cup of onion oil and leaving some for the decoration. And then just to mix it very well, because we have all the ingredients added in, we just need to mix it, give a very good mix. After that, leave this marination for about 4 hours or overnight if you want, to just give the chicken a great flavor. Do try it out. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next video with some more interesting videos. So till then, bye.